today, I'll be showing you how I use the Main Choice's new boosting kit to amp up my healthy hair care regimen. So the boosting kit is complete with 4 items that contain a high concentration of strengthening, hydrating, and restorative ingredients. The kit is designed to help rejuvenate severely dehydrated, weak, brittle, and shedding hair, and helps to relieve a dry, itchy, flaky scalp. So the first step to using the boosting kit is applying the Mocha and Molasses anti-shedding remedy on dry hair prior to shampooing. The deluxe treatment improves luster and shine. The molasses strengthens and reduces shedding. The coffee helps to stimulate and rejuvenate your hair follicles. It's a topical source of vitamins and minerals for the hair. So after 30 minutes of allowing the Mocha and Molasses to penetrate my hair strands, I rinse it and then I shampoo my hair. So this is the time when you reach for the Reconstructor or the rehydration therapy. If you need a Reconstructor, you'll choose the Silk Amino Acid and Keratin Reconstructor treatment. It's a concentrated shot of gentle yet highly effective protein blend. The silk amino acids rebuild the strands and minimizes moisture loss. The keratin strengthens and reduces breakage, and it's gentle enough for protein-sensitive hair. I chose the Reconstructor because I typically have pretty hydrated, moisturized hair, and over time, due to just normal wear and tear, you can lose protein from your hair. So I just wanted to give it a chance to rebuild, reconstruct, so I can get a little bit more strength back. Final and one of the most important parts of using the boosting kit is treating your scalp. The triglyceride and mint scalp renewal was created to be used on a clean scalp. So after your hair and scalp have been thoroughly cleansed, conditioned, and or treated, you'd apply the triglyceride and mint scalp renewal. You'd massage it in and proceed to style. No need to rinse it out. The triglycerides nourish, moisturize, and renew the scalp, while the mint purifies, reduces itching and flakes, and helps to balance the pH. The triglyceride and mint scalp renewal provides the ultimate treatment that the scalp often lacks. So the boosting kit is to be used in conjunction with your healthy hair care regimen when your hair and scalp need an extra boost in the right direction. Think of it as an antibiotic for your regimen. It'll drastically improve the integrity of your hair and scalp and set you on the path for success. You can use 1, 2, 3, or all of the products at the same time on wash day. It's your choice. Now to set my style, I'll be using the pink lemonade and coconut mousse. It has tons of crazy benefits, but just a few of my favorites are that it's lightweight, it dries quickly, and it leaves my hair nice and lustrous. Has a nice little natural shine to it. So I sat under the dryer for about an hour and a half and allowed it to air dry the rest of the way overnight. The first braid styling option was my second favorite. I just took the braids that were going upward toward the crown and tied it in a little bantu knot. So once I was done recording, I decided that I wanted to switch up the braids. So I took down the bantu knot and I took those braids and I draped them across my forehead. I found the cutest little gem and I added it to the bottom braids and 2 braids that are hanging on the sides. It gave me just the amount of flair and drama that I was looking for. Always remember that healthy, strong, hydrated hair is the foundation of a great style.